Welcome to the unboxing of the OnePlus Nord Earbuds. Let's dive in and see what this package has to offer. As we open the box, we're greeted by the stylish OnePlus Nord Earbuds, nestled in their compact charging. Beneath the earbuds, you'll find a USB-C charging cable, extra ear tips for a comfortable fit, and the charging case is not only elegant, but also functional. It provides extra juice for your earbuds and fits comfortably in your pocket. The earbuds themselves feature a minimalist design with a glossy finish, and they are incredibly lightweight.